Apple iOS 17.4 latest features. In this video, we're going to be talking about Apple's iOS 17.4 latest features, and we're going to be discussing all the new things that they have brought for you. So, to start things off, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be discussing the emoji section. It brought you new emojis like a mushroom, phoenix, lime, broken chain, and shaking heads, as you can see over here. So, you have a lime, shaking heads, phoenix, chain, mushroom. Pretty incredible. Then what you can do is you can move over to Apple Podcasts, where it lets you transcripts and lets you follow an episode with text that highlights in sync with the audio. English, Spanish, French, and German can be heard. Episode text can be read in full, searched for a word or phrase, and tap to play from a specific point and use with accessibility features such as obviously size increase, contrast increase, and voiceover. Now, moving on, you also have a lot of enhancements and bug fixes. Okay. And these are obviously the different enhancements that they added to the different softwares that you have. But the main new features are the emojis, which are the absolute game changers. Okay. You have gotten all of these. So these are the new emojis that you can get. And obviously, for you people who listen to Apple Podcasts, it's a game changer as well because you will get captions synced with the audio. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.